So you've just arrived at Dublin Airport, you want to go to Dublin City, how are you going to get there? Hey everyone, I'm Mark from Travel Shorts. This is my son Matthew, and in today's video we're going to show you how to get from here, Dublin Airport, all the way to the centre of Dublin City. So there's three main ways you can get from the airport to Dublin City Centre. The most expensive but also the most convenient is taxi. Obviously it costs roughly between 30 to 40 euros from the airport to the city. The cheapest but also the most inconvenient is a regular bus service. That only costs about €2.50 but can take up to 2 hours. What we're going to do today is take the Dublin Express all the way from here at the airport to a number of different locations in the city. You can pre-book it online or you can pay on the day. We pre-booked it online and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually book those tickets from. It should take about 40 minutes for us to get into the city centre. And now I'm going to show you how to get to the Dublin Express bus. So we're in Terminal 1, so to get to the Dublin Express bus service, we just go out the exit right in front of us here. So just for reference, that's where we just came out from arrivals over there.
Here.
The door is right in front of us. And then you can see the signs already. So here we go. Dublin Express, there's the bus there. But like I said, we pre-booked our ticket online. We give you a QR code. The guy just checked it before we joined the line here. We're going to be taking bus 782, which is going to take us to just by the Guinness Storehouse. But there's 3 different buses in total that take you into the city centre, so it's best to check their website first to see which bus you need. Now let's do a quick seat tour, shall we? We have got a tray table. We haven't got very much leg room, look at that. And the overhead compartments as well to store your bags are pretty narrow. So I can actually fit my rucksack, and it's only a small rucksack up there. So I've got my rucksack down by my feet here. There is a USB charging point down there. So I'm plugging my phone and I'm charging my phone. So using the Dublin Express website as well, is actually a live tracker. So this is the bus that we're on at the moment. You can see we've just departed. We're there, so we're going to follow this so we know exactly which one we're going to get off at, which is going to be Usher's Quay in just over 30 minutes. So there is meant to be Wi-Fi on board, but the only network I can see is called Bernard Kavanagh Wi-Fi. I would have assumed it's a Dublin Express, so I'm not going to click on it, just in case it's some sort of scamming website.
nice big customers. Next stop, Aston Gate, Paconel Bridge, City Centre. Just by station.
Thank you. So we've made it into the centre of Dublin. I hope you found this video useful about using the Dublin Express. If you did, please think about liking, subscribing and hitting that notification bell button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.